Hi, my name is Trisha Johnson, and today I'm going to be talking about how to create an effective PowerPoint presentation. Did you know most people dread giving and listening to a PowerPoint presentation because they don't understand the right way to do it? So, I'll be going over a few tips to make sure your next presentation doesn't turn into a total snooze fest. First, I want you to remember this. To amplify, try to simplify. Simplicity means the achievement of maximum effect with minimum means. Cluttering the screen with too much content is counterproductive. Keep it simple. You can also go ahead and leave out all the statistics, words, and noise on the screen. The best presenters often illustrate their points with personal stories. To involve people at the deepest level, you need to tell stories. And you're going to want to limit yourself to one message per slide. Something like a short basic text plus an image is just right. Don't make the audience listen to you talk and read slides at the same time, because they won't remember either one. While creating your presentation, ask yourself, what do I want the audience's eyes to focus on? Don't make the headline huge and the content small. The most important part of your PowerPoint should also be the biggest. Draw the audience's attention to the content you want them to remember. To get your audience to care about what you're talking about, you want to make them feel something. Colors evoke feelings, so remember to choose colors wisely and use them well. Simplicity is about living life with more enjoyment and less pain. Boring is painful, you guys. Don't bore your audience with words and numbers. Bring your presentation to life and give the audience something to talk about. Now you have a few ideas to bring some real value to your next PowerPoint presentation. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and may your next presentation be a real success. Thanks again. Take care.